You can work with groups and add in subgroups inside of your groups in Microsoft Suite document as well. And let us exactly see how to do that right here. So in order to do that, I'm just going to click on the Insert Content button, and then I'm going to create a group automatic. So once I do that, I can add in a content, as you can see right here. And once I click on add content, I can add in another group, as you can see. So let's say, for example, I want to add a comparison group right here. So there's group inside of group, just like that, as you can see. So I'm just going to add in an image right here. So I'm just going to go around, go to my device and upload an image. So I'm just going to go to, let's say, for example, Dropbox, and then go to images and click that out. I can also add an image right here, go to image, click on this, and then I'm going to go to my device right here, upload an image out, just like that. Let me just drag this back in because I want it as a part of that group. So now what I can do is I can add in more content. So I can add in more groups. Let's say, for example, in this case, I want to add in a stack. So I can have this. So I'm just going to drag this in, and you can see that it is a part of this group now. So I can go around onto the group, go to image. So I'm just going to drag an image. So let me just go to my device again, select, let's say, 5 of these images, and all of them are in the group stack, as you can see right here. So they'll be uploaded right over there. Then you can go around, add in some other groups as well. So let me just go around and then click on the plus icon. So let's say, for example, I want to add in a bit of text over here as well and drag that out inside the group as well. So let me just go around in group and say, hooray, TutorTube, just like this. All right, there you go. So I got all of my groups right there. So in the design, what you have is you have the comparison, you have the hooray TutorTube text, and you got the stack. And these are groups within groups, just like that. So now you can rearrange this out as well. You can drag it onto the top or on the bottom, and that is how you can rearrange everything else right here. So let's say I want the text card on the top, so just drag it on the top, and then the text will appear right here, and the comparison right over there, and then the stack right over here, as you can see. So that is how you can work around with the groups. Then you can go to group right here. You can choose the group type. And the group type, the option that's only available is automatic in this case. So depending on what type of subgroups you bring in, sometimes the grid option might be available, while at other times only the automatic is available, just like that. And that's how you can add in groups inside of groups. That is how you can work with subgroups inside of Microsoft Suite document. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.